Hello, everyone. My name is Andrew Serafim, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about one of the main quality control tools that probably crosses the mind of every project manager or quality manager out there. So um, I believe it should be ranked the number one quality tool because that's what quality starts with. And that will be the process map. The process map is designated to organize the flow of events from the what and where, the first what and where, which is our starting point and our inputs, and then walks us through the entire process flow to achieve the overall bottom line output and where we'd like that to be, whether that's a product or a service we're working on. So it is literally there to address the flow of events within a production process. So we're going to use, a couple of simple examples here. One is the GPS, which is the navigation system we all have on our phones or in our cars. Uh, we have a starting point and then we put in a destination. And then if we click on the directions, it'll show us exactly what we need to do and where we need to turn in order to get to our final destination. So there are um, uh, two ways those can be done. There is one which is to, get all the subject matter experts and all the analysts that know exactly what needs to happen, and then they individually list all those process steps on post-it notes and lay them out in this designated sequence of flow of events on either a whiteboard or a wall. The second is to use a digital application like Excel, Visio, or um, Sigma Flow to make the exact same happen, but digitally instead of the old school way. So it's the exact same thing, but one modern way, another is old school. The other example is think of your order at Subway. So you walk in, you choose the type of bread, the type of meat or veggie options you'd like in the sandwich you'd like to, and then you choose whether you want cheese. If yes, what kind? If no, you can choose whether to be toasted or not. If yes, choose a type of cheese. Choose whether you'd like it to be toasted. Put the veggies, the sauces, wrap it up. Decide whether it's going to be a meal or just a sub only, and then whether if it's a meal, whether you want to go with the cookie or chips, and then you choose your beverage, you pay, you get your sandwich, and then you decide whether you want to eat it in um, the restaurant or you take it with. And that is simply the process map.